So perhaps you're feeling stuck. You open your closet and though it's packed with clothes, you still feel like you have nothing to wear. Woo, definitely been there. Maybe you're tired of thinking you need to drop more money to look more put together, or maybe feeling overwhelmed or annoyed at clothes to fit the end aesthetic that you want. The truth is, sometimes you don't need new clothes. You just need a new strategy. And today I'm giving you real actionable tips to dress better, starting with the clothes you already own. Your same clothes, but different looks. But before I get into that, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Breonna Queen. I'm an image consultant, makeup artist, and award-winning beauty blogger with over 15 years of experience in the beauty and style industry. And I help women just like you, yes you, look and feel more put together so you can be that confident, amazing powerhouse that you were born to be. So if that's your kind of vibe, click that subscribe button and join the family. So tip number one, when it comes to dressing better without having to buy new clothes, I want you to do a closet edit. Imagine walking into your closet and everything that you have in your closet, it fits amazing, it looks great. You can take anything out your closet, try it on, and it looks spectacular. No digging, no frustration, no trying on clothes, hating how it looks, no guilt of pieces that you don't even wear. Everything in your closet just fits, just works for you. This is the goal of the closet edit. This is the goal of editing your closet. I want you to pull out anything that doesn't fit, that you haven't worn in years, and doesn't flatter you. When I say that, I want you to start sorting through your clothes. What doesn't fit goes in the no pile. What have you not worn in like a year? It goes in the no pile. What are things that you bought because they were on sale? They were on sale, but you don't really like them. You've never worn them. They're not your vibe. They're not your aesthetic. I want those to go in the note pile. Start editing your closet and getting rid of the things that do not serve you. Maybe you're thinking, okay, Breonna, if I have nothing to wear, why would I get rid of more clothes? When you have nothing to wear and you get rid of clothing that does not serve you, it makes the options of things that you can wear 10 times easier. You don't have all this clothes noise of outfits that don't fit you've never worn. You only have the key pieces that you actually wear. It allows you to find the right clothes easier. You don't have all this clutter of clothes, and you get to only see the clothes you love and you actually wear. Also, if you do find that you do need to buy clothes in the future, you know what you need. If you know, okay, I have only things I love, only things I wear, and I've noticed that I have 3 pairs of pants, black, khaki, and blue jeans, and you say, you know, I want to have a maroon pair of trousers, then you know, okay, that's what I need to buy. So it also will allow you, if you do need to buy clothes down the line, you know what's missing. You're not constantly just buying clothes because they're on sale or they're trendy that you're never actually going to wear. So think about how many of us have kept clothes for years that we've never worn. Perhaps you have some clothing that you're like, you know what, when I finally lose weight, I'm gonna wear it. But every time you see those clothing, you don't feel empowered, you feel defeated, you feel bad, like, dang, I still ain't lost this weight, I still can't wear this outfit. Meet yourself where you are. Get rid of the stuff that you can't fit and you haven't worn in years. Let it go. Make space for clothes that you can actually wear, that actually celebrate your figure, celebrate your weight, celebrate your silhouette, celebrate the season you are in life. My next tip is know your power colors. Imagine taking the most basic of outfits, a simple shirt, jeans, and sneakers, and you still look hella put together. You still looks like you spent a ton of time trying to get dressed. That is the magic of knowing your power colors, knowing what colors are instantly going to make you look like you're glowing versus the colors that are going to make you look ashy, drained, washed out. For example, with me, grays do not flatter me. Grays actually make me look a little more washed out, whereas super bright colors, the yellows, the pinks, the maroons, those instantly make me look brighter. Those instantly make me look better. So knowing my power colors are instantly going to make me look great. And that is a great way to turn your old outfits into new looks, is by wearing the clothes that are the colors that are going to instantly flatter you. And if you need help discovering your best shades, I do have a Discover Your Color kit that helps you figure out your most flattering shades in less than 15 minutes. This kit is specifically created for women of color and Black women, because a lot of times with 16 color analysis, they don't really talk about women with dark skin or women with brown skin. So I did create this kit exclusively for Black women and women of color to help them determine their most flattering colors, jewelry colors, and makeup colors. So my next tip is build a few go-to favorites. I like to call these go-to outfit formulas. They're just simple formulas that are going to make your outfit look amazing no matter what. Your outfit formula can be a blazer, a striped top, and jeans. That can look a billion different ways, but it's still the same outfit formula. Your outfit formula can be wide leg jeans, a cardigan, and a sleek top. This can be styled multiple ways, but it's still the same outfit outfit formula. It is going to be your tried and true combo that is going to take the guesswork out of finding clothes that flatter you, and you're able to mix and match pieces to get the look that you want. So you can say, okay, I know I have several button-up tops. I know my outfit formula is a button-up top and jeans. You can mix and match that different ways without you having to actually go out and buy new clothes. And I personally love outfit formulas. I have my own personal ones, but some of the benefits of having an outfit formula to eliminate decision fatigue. How many of us get decision fatigue trying to figure out what to wear to stuff, to the networking event, to work, to a friend's brunch, to the mall, to an outing? Like, oh my gosh, it could be a lot trying to figure out what to wear. When you have an outfit formula, it's going to help with decision fatigue, because you know, okay, when I'm going out, I'm going to do my outfit formula, which is my wide leg jeans, sleek top, and cardigan. Find your cardigan, find you a top, find you some wide leg trousers in your closet. No matter what, it's going to look good. That will help so much and eliminate a lot of thinking. It's going to speed up getting dressed. You already know what works for you. It's going to speed up your time. It's going to give you your time back. You already know what works. You already know what looks good. You're going to get your time back. Also, it's going to guarantee that you look put together without overthinking. If you know your outfit formula is a jumpsuit and heels, you don't have to think. You already know it doesn't work for you because you have an outfit formula. And then another reason why I love having an outfit formula is going to allow you to rework the outfits in your closet for a new, fresh look. You can rework the way you wear your wide leg pants. You can rework the way you wear your jumpsuits. You can rework the way you wear your dresses with your blazer and your heels. It's going to allow you to take the pieces in your closet and rework them for new and fresh looks. And when it comes to how to look better with your clothes, don't focus so much on the size. Focus on the fit. You can tuck in loose shirts to define your waist, or adding a belt to a shapeless dress, or tailoring pants that you like but perhaps are too long, or roll up jacket sleeves or shirts for a more intentional look. These are ways that you focus on the fit over the size. If you have an outfit that you like but it doesn't fit right, are there things you can do to make it fit right? If that dress is too shapeless, can you add a belt? Can you add a crop jacket? Can you get it tailored? Can these things allow your outfits to look better? Fit over everything. And don't sleep on accessories. Accessories can completely transform your outfit. A necklace can transform a dress. A belt can transform your outfit. Accessories can instantly elevate a basic outfit. It can add personality and flair to your current outfit, and it can allow you to express your mood and your aesthetic without having to change your wardrobe. You can wear a cute dress in the spring and also wear it in the winter with stockings and a turtleneck and a hat. You can take a basic outfit and pair it with boots and a cute purse, and the outfit has completely changed. Do not sleep on accessories and how accessories can truly elevate and change the look. For example, the accessory I have right now is my red lip. And yes, makeup can be an accessory. I'm rocking a black shirt. You know, I got black hair. The key focal point when you look at me is my red lipstick. Your makeup can be an accessory. Or you can do your earrings, or your necklace, or your hat, or a barrette. You can accessorize and completely change your look. And then also, don't sleep on creating layers and texture. Layers aren't just for staying warm. Like, they can also create dimension and depth when it comes to your outfit. Adding layers and textures to your outfit can make you look more styled, more intentional, more put together, and make you put an effort that you really didn't put in. Play around with textures and layers to create completely different looks with the outfits you already own. The truth is, you probably don't need a bigger wardrobe. You don't need to buy a bunch of new stuff. You might just need a new strategy for the clothes you already have in your closet, so you can save those coins and save energy and save time. Now, in this video, I talked a lot about how you can wear the clothes you have to look better. Now let's talk about how you can use your perfumes to smell amazing all day long. I'm sharing with you the art of layering your perfumes so you smell amazing for the entire day. So go ahead and check that video out next, and I'll see you there. Bye.